Well, it's going to end up being part 5 already on the Klopp 450 metal shaper, and just got the motor swung off. And it's going to be kind of a mixed bag today, because I'm also going to show, here's the fixture welding table with the leaf down, the outrigger's out. I would say that this motor is about as heavy as the 4-chuck 12-inch on the LeBlanc. I haven't got time. I will weigh it. That chuck over there is just shy of 200 pounds. And this is the Harbor Freight boom that I have had since '98. It just happened to work out well. I didn't want to permanently mount it and weld a stud in, so let's take off course of the Klopp, but just made a temporary strap. That bolt hole worked out because that's where the old number 3 arbor press was bolted down, which goes. And not only can I lift up this leaf table with this boom, suck it in, I can take it off and put it on the truck. Let's go around real quick to the back. I'm not happy about this old boat winch type deal, but no more than I'm going to have to use it. Should work out fine. Come down here, and that is 3/8 2x2 channels, so tapped and put in some 5/8 fine thread 20 thread bolts. Had a shackle system for a 450 Ford sitting here, brand new, so I got 4 of them U-bolts, so that worked out good. Anyhow, the motor swung off really nice, and now to just winch it down and get it over in the corner. Got off the I don't know what you'd actually call that leaf that comes out the back. I am wanting a bunch of help and comments on this metal shaper. And there it is. It says it's from Kurt Auburn, something in Germany. And still haven't found the original badge. So, guys, anybody out there on these clocks, I need all the help I'm going to get if you creators will work with me. That flywheel, I'm not real for sure just yet. I don't have a 18-inch to a 20-inch puller. It's going to take one to go across. I'm going to end up making a puller. And let's get inside the gear cluster here. And there is some locking right inside here. It's going to be a little hard to zoom down where that locks that bearing in. And sure don't want to damage anything. It's pretty nasty in here. Yeah. But soon this thing will be all cleaned up, and probably going to go to a really nice red, and then do some chroming on the handles, the crank wheels. And I kind of like the one that the gentleman built over there. I think it was in England, and it was fire engine red, and even the transmission lever was chromed. It looked sharp. So anyhow, yesterday was a good day. Anyhow, the Klopp is being tore down, and I'm lucky I've got this deal for the clapper. So it tells me at least it's in the 50s. So everybody's watching these videos of ours, please add as many comments as you can, good or bad, but I need the good ones to find out as much info. And Tim over on his channel, I won't mention his channel, I'll probably put it in the comments. It worked on a E&E or G&G, probably real similar. So yeah, this is a 60 hertz 3-phase motor, so it's not the original motor, thank goodness. And then we'll end up hooking it over here to wiring into the LeBlanc lathe. I will make a way to wire from that variable frequency drive over to this. Of course, you won't be using both at the same time. Should work out, should be cost savings there. All right, Bear's Rod Shop. We got welding table fixture all done. The 2 bolts are where the sticking out that are threaded. It's the only threaded holes on that table, and that is for my Wilton vise. And also it's the same bolt pattern for the rotary table. So welding table finally done. May do some painting, and not going to grind it. I'm not worried about that table. This is a welding table, not a fixture table. Bears Rod Shop for Friday, December the 10th. Have a great weekend, great Christmas, guys. Come back and visit. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell on the way out. And everybody enjoy the new year coming in. May it definitely be better. BRS, Bears Rod Shop, we're out of here.